Fort McCoy's mission, mobilizing soldiers for war, may have come to an end last year, but it is still on the cutting edge when it comes to training troops for combat.
News 8's Jenna Traum joins us live in our studio with a first look at their latest training facility.
Mark and Lisa, over the past 10 years, more than 1 million military personnel trained at Fort McCoy, but only about 12% of them were there for mobilization or demobilization. The rest were there to train. And now that the fort's wartime mission is over, it's that training that's taking center stage. Welcome to the Combined Arms Collective Training Facility at Fort McCoy. The mobilization mission here may be over, but lessons from war have influenced the design of this facility to keep troops trained for deployment.
We here at Fort McCoy have tried to build an environment that can take into an urban environment, any type of rural farming village, or just going through an unimproved area through the woods or through the valleys, that they would have to be able to maneuver and provide that environment that they might experience anywhere they would be able to deploy to.
The facility allows soldiers to experience different scenarios they might encounter when they're deployed, right here on Wisconsin soil.
We will have sound emitters, scent emitters, several other, we'll be able to replicate the noises of exploding IEDs. We'll be able to have exploding gas tanks out in this facility, almost like a Hollywood-type scenario or set.
These simulations will allow troops to practice decision-making in the field before real lives are on the line.
So inside of these urban facilities, as you go into each of these rooms, you're not sure what's going to surprise you around each of the rooms. We can put targets that are like mannequins. They can be turned around, placed inside these facilities, and they can either present a threat or they can be presented as a friendly type of target.
The facility won't be up and running until next year, partly because 367 cameras still need to be set up in its 25 buildings. That footage will then be pieced together for the soldiers to review later.
And then they can show this to them up on a screen and then talk about what happened, lessons that they learned, and then things that they should correct, and then go back out and do the exercise again. So it's that immediate feedback capability.
Feedback they can use on their next deployment, even if they won't be mobilizing from Fort McCoy itself. The facility has been under construction for the last 2 years. It's just one of 18 facilities like it in the whole country.
All right, thank you, Jenna. Federal, state, and local law enforcement will be able to train at the facilities as well.